Let's check your weather on the Ones forecast right here on Spectrum News. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr, and it's a very simple forecast this weekend. Nearly perfect conditions, plenty of sunshine and seasonal, if not a little bit above average temperatures across the region. So no issues for outdoor activities. Maybe you're taking your kids to the pumpkin patch. Let them run through those corn mazes, take them on a hayride, something like that. You should really be in good shape, and that extends into Monday and probably Tuesday as well. This is the busy season for a lot of those farmers markets, so get out there and support your local farm as you pick up some of those holiday decorations and jack-o'-lanterns to carve for Halloween. No issues for Bowling Green, Owensboro, the entire tri-state today. Very comfortable temperatures, little in the way of cloud cover, a light flow of air out of the north, keeping our humidity levels almost not even noticeable out there. I know it's getting toward harvest season, so perfect weather to hop in the combine and do some harvesting of your corn, your soybeans, whatever crops that you might have. We'll continue to be quiet tonight and into Sunday morning as well, and even approaching Sunday afternoon. Once again, temperatures right around 80 degrees. And that's where we'll be today, with lots of sunshine and that light northerly flow of air. 83 in Bowling Green. Perfect conditions across the whole tri-state. Maybe you want to take the boat out onto the Tennessee River or Kentucky Lake. No issues whatsoever, and nice and comfortable tonight, mid-50s. Then our attention turns to the Atlantic. A lot of questions here. We've got powerful Category 4 storm Umberto, and then an area of disturbed weather over Hispaniola. Umberto is expected to curve out to sea probably as a Category 4 or 5 storm, but how it interacts with our area of disturbed weather, that is the huge question mark. So here's one of the model runs. You see Umberto, this system expected to become a tropical storm or a hurricane. By Tuesday, it's off the southeast coast. How it interacts with Umberto is the million-dollar question. Does this storm plow its way onshore, which could bring us plenty of clouds midweek? Or, as this model suggests, does it get pulled away from the coast and remain out to sea, which we will see little, if any, impacts? So you're going to want to keep checking back with us for some updates in that Tuesday through Thursday time frame. Right now, just adding some clouds to the forecast, especially across eastern areas. But right now, overall, the next 7 days look quiet.
Hey, thank you for keeping it right here.